The challenge with lots and lots of users is that they all want all kinds of things from you, right? The benefit of being an open source project is that GitHub is a very well understood way to take in those requests and prioritize them. We have more than 3,000 open GitHub issues, and it becomes really challenging to manage. Many of those are feature requests that makes a ton of sense, and they've been open for 4 years. It is very clear that starts to become a frustration with the user base, because every single one of those is like relatively simple. But because there are so many, they just add up to way more developer hours than we can invest. Last month, we put out what we call the Prisma ORM manifesto that lays out in great detail how we are going to prioritize bug reports, feature requests going forward. And it's really very simple. There are 2 inputs into what we're choosing to work on. One is strategic prioritization that we make as a company. For example, we might say that it is really important we become the best ORM to use with AI data, support vector search and so on. That could be a strategic initiative. But then the majority of the work is directly taken from input from the community. It's literally as simple as going to the GitHub issues, sort by upvotes, and then see from the top which ones make sense to work on in the next sprint. So that's what we're doing now. And it works amazingly well. It's an improvement for us, for engineering teams, because they can clearly see what they should be working on, and they know they're working on something that has a high impact. And it's working for the community, for the Prisma user base, because they have a clear way to go and signal what they think we should work on. Just go and create an issue or upvote an existing one. And then they can see that we actually go and implement the things that they want, that the community wants. But we've been doing that for a year, and that has completely changed, I would say, the tone in the general feedback we get on Twitter and social media. There's this feeling that Prisma is now much more responsive, receptive to community requests and moving faster.